Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn about number input control in Power Apps. So please watch this video till the end so that you can understand it completely. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. So let's get started. In Power Apps, if you want to work with the number input control, you need to go to Insert, and from here you just need to search that control. And then you can drag this control into the screen. Now you can see that the control has been added. Now we have this property which is value. If I enter 6, right, and if I play it, now you will see that you have this up and down button. If you click on this up button, the number will increase by 1 every time you will click. And if you click on this down button, it will decrease the value by 1, right? Another property of this control is that we have minimum value. So let's say I will keep 1 as minimum, and then I have this maximum value, let's say 10, right? Now I will play this. Now you can see the moment I press the up key, the value is 1, right? Earlier the value was -4, and here you notice that the down button is disabled because I have set the minimum value as 1. Now I will keep on clicking on this button. You will notice that after 10, the up button is disabled and down button is enabled. That's because I have set the minimum and maximum value, right? Next property is that decimal precision, which means how many decimal points can be there in the input control, right? I will choose as 2. Now if I come here and try to enter, let's say 456, the moment I will hit enter, you will see that the value is just 10, right? Because the maximum value is 10. Now I will reduce this, and then I will put 345, and the moment I will hit enter, you will see the value has been rounded off, and now it is 1.34. If I enter 89, you will see the value is 1.39, correct? And in this case, you have both up and down button enabled. Another property is that step value. So step value, you can see here, it says that how much to add and subtract a value when step buttons are selected, right? So if I make it as 3, right? Now every time I will press up button, it will add 3 in the existing number, right? You can see it. Now the value is 7. Now it will be 4 and then 1, right? Now here we have this behavior, which is edit mode, disabled, and view. If I make it view, you will not be able to interact with this action, right? And if I make it disabled, you will see that the whole control itself is disabled. So if you want to communicate with this control, then you need to have this in edit mode. After this, we have this style and theme. Here you can change the theme of the control, right? So it is feel lighter. You can give the outline here, right? Here you can set the color of the control. If you want to make it custom, you can choose it from here. And here you can set the font size and border radius. So if I make it as 50, you can see the border radius is 50, and you can see it is completely rounded at the corner. In the advanced tab, you have this on change property. So on change, if you want to trigger something, then you can use on change property. So for now I will use notify, right? And here I will take the value of this control, then I will use self dot value. Here I will specify the notification type, and here I will specify the timeout of 2 seconds. Then I will play this application. here whenever I will increase the value, you will see that you can see the number in the notification, right? Another property of this control is that validation state, right? As of now, this value is none. Because of that, there is no circle around this control. Now if I will put error, you can see that the border is in red color, correct? Now consider that I want to display the error if the user has chosen the value as 5, right? In that case, I will say that if self.value equals to 5, then I want to show the error, else none. Correct? Now I will play this, and here you can see that value is 8.356. I will remove this decimal points. If I keep it as 5, now you will see that there is error around the control. The moment I choose it as 4, the error is gone, right? Another property is delay output. As of now, this value is false. If I choose it as true, then what will happen is action will be performed after the delay of half a second, right? Now here what I will do is I will use this text control, and then here I will display the value. So I will choose number input 1 dot value, right? Now here you see that it is 4. I choose 3, and you can see I clicked quickly, so now it is showing the value as 1. Now if I continue clicking, it will not show the result until I stop for half a second, right? So these are the features of number input control in Power Apps. If you like this video, please click on the like button, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, please post it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.